Well, at the moment I'd have to say climate change, and obviously that links into energy consumption and energy use, and the need for adaptation and mitigation. It's tremendously important to companies, and it's a real opportunity not just to improve environmental performance but also to save money through improving the sustainability of the supply of energy, so using energy derived from sustainable sources rather than fossil fuels, and also improving the efficiency of energy consumption. Well, working with companies, it's critically important really to understand where energy is used and how it's used. So really basic questions to map energy consumption. Once you've addressed those, you can then start to understand your consumption and make informed decisions about investment and take the first steps towards improving your consumption. Well, ISO 50001 energy management systems provides a really good framework for energy management systems. It's useful not necessarily in terms of going all the way to certification, but as a checklist of opportunities for companies to adopt. And then also things like the Carbon Trust Standard, which is really good for companies that can demonstrate, have already taken steps and reduced their greenhouse gas emissions and can demonstrate it. They've got the documented systems in place. It's a really useful method, a badge of saying, we have done this as a company. Okay, well it's obviously a fairly fast-moving area, and there's lots of specialist inputs and technical knowledge that can be brought to bear here. So working with knowledge transfer networks and consultancies can provide the opportunity to bring in outside advice. It can be that it's independent, but also it's an opportunity to pull in best practice from all sorts of different sectors and areas that perhaps doesn't exist in your own company at the present time.